Namaskar and good morning everyone. My name is Maharjan. I study in grade 4. Today I am going to say short and sweet speech about the topic of the horse. Before starting my topic, I want to thank the organizer who organized this type of program. Now my topic goes like this: the horse. The horse is a domestic animal. It has a long neck and strong body. It is four-footed animal. It has two eyes, two ears, and one long bushy tail. It can run very fast. It pulls carts and carries goods. Earlier it was used in battles. They are of different colors and size. Thank you. Have a nice day. Jai Nepal.
Thanks a lot.